Hello everybody, welcome to the lounge, and today I have a bit of an unusual comparison video for you all. I haven't seen one like it before. I'm comparing a 100% cotton hamper to a 100% polyester hamper, both of which I've had over a decade, and just telling you guys how they've held up over time, because everyone's gotta have a hamper, right? And pretty much all the hampers on the market are either a cotton one or a polyester one, regardless of the design. These two pretty much have the same design. However, there are some subtle differences. For instance, if you come in closer over here, you're going to notice that this all cotton one has the connections for the sticks here done in glue, whereas the polyester one has the connections done with screws. And so just these screws by themselves, you want to avoid hampers with screws because they've been a pain in the butt. And you can see down here, we actually have a screw that's going loose and must be retightened pretty good. And if you don't retighten these on occasion, as I've done several times now, the whole hamper may fall apart for a moment and be a pain in the butt to fix. Now, that is not the only thing where these two are a little bit different in quality. So over time, I've noticed that there's actually been some tears happening in the polyester one. One tear is currently going on right here. The other tear is going on back here. And not only is it tearing in critical places that will mean that it is going to break soon, but if I actually hold it up and the camera films inside the thing, you can actually see that it is coming apart. The material is actually failing in there, and you can start to see right through it in various spots. Nothing of the sort is happening to the other hamper. The material there is exactly as it used to be. So yeah, I've had this one since about 2012, and I don't exactly remember where it came from. It's a brand called Home Essentials, an American brand. And this one here came from IKEA, and it's still going really strong, and really it should last a lifetime. So if I've learned anything from all this, go with the cotton hamper, not with the polyester hamper, even if the cotton one costs a little bit more. I'll link in the description to a good cotton hamper I found while setting up this episode. But otherwise, I hope you guys found this comparison useful. If you did, make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.